Hello friends, welcome to Wismer. Let's see second magical habit for transforming our life, imagining the desired outcome. It's rather easy to visualize negative or undesirable outcome instead of positive or desirable outcome. Take an example. Most of the people are afraid of public speaking. Imagine in the next week you're planning to speak in front of important decision makers to influence them to take a particular decision. You're already feeling the heat. It's easy to worry about giving poor answers to their questions, speaking awkwardly about the outcome of the project, and forgetting important information to share with the audience. Instead of thinking undesirable outcome, you should use visualization that the meeting goes well. You have influenced all the decision makers. They are really impressed about your presentation and praising you. Most of the athletes in the world are trained to visualize the favorable outcome. They see themselves winning the game. So, visualization is a simple yet powerful technique that you create a mental image of the future achievement. By visualizing, you are preparing yourself in advance for the achievements. There are many benefits of visualization. I'll chalk down here three. The first one is visualizing the desired outcome will increase your confidence enormously. By imagining yourself succeed help you believe that it can and it will happen. The second benefit of visualization is it helps you to practice success. When you imagine every step of the event, you get your mind and body ready to take those steps in real life. The third benefit is anyone can benefit from visualization. You don't have to be a life coach, personal development expert, or athletes to use visualization to achieve your goals. Now, let's see to use visualization to achieve your goals. The great thing about visualization is that you can use it in so many areas of your life. This is why so many highly effective people use this technique to help them achieve their desired goals. The first step of visualization is decide what you want. You can use the SPVM framework for goal setting, referenced by Chris Croft in the Life Mastery course in LinkedIn Learning. Pick few goals to start visualizing. For example, my goal is to influence millions of people. Uh, the second step is picture the outcome. Start imagining the exact picture. Don't vague or unclear. The more specific you are and the more detail you imagine, the better the visualization will work for you. Make sure you use all your senses in the visualization exercise. Sight, sound, taste, smell, touch. Include them all so that you really bring your vision to life. The third step is visualize each step. So identify every step that you must take to achieve your goals and start picturizing each step as a part of your visualization exercise. The last and important step is be persistent visualizer. Aim to do a complete visualization at least once a day, preferably in the morning until you achieve your goals. It's important to be consistent because regular visualization can convince your brain that you imagine is actually the truth. The more you visualize something, the stronger that vision becomes, and the higher the likelihood that you'll get that what you want. Why? Because you have already done it in your mind. Visualizing daily is just training for a marathon. The more you practice, the more familiar your body will become. And you're literally training your mind for a successful outcome. The great thing about visualization is that you can do it anywhere. Make sure every time you visualize, you should always focus on what you want and not what you don't want. Visualization is very powerful technique. to reach your desired goals. It works by getting your mind and body ready for what you want, just like exercise. The more you do it, the stronger it becomes. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. You'll get notified once new video is uploaded. Please remember acronym WISEMAR and start inculcating these 6 habits. Thank you. Have a positive outlook of your life.